It's in ring format, haloarenes. So haloarenes, the name says haloarenes, ring. So it is because of aromatic, it's give smell or fragrance. So aroma means smell. Okay. There is a basic nature of your haloarenes. So let us prepare from an aromatic hydrocarbon. So as we know that the basic component of halogens are aromatic. So that's why we are directly take the aromatic compounds, aromatic hydrocarbons. Okay. So from that we can easily attach one halogen. So it will easily form halogens. So let us prepare that. The first one is we are preparing it from, okay, we are preparing it from aromatic hydrocarbon. So which one you are taking? So we are using a method called electrophilic substitution reaction. So we are taking the example or we are using the methodology of electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay na? Electrophilic substitution reaction. Fine. So I'll write one example. So aromatic hydrocarbon. So I'm taking a benzene as an example. Okay, plus X, any halogen you can take. So it's in the presence of iron or ferrous halide, ferric halide. Okay, so what happened? One hydrogen in your aromatic group is replaced by your halogen and it will form respective hydrates. So there is the same method what we are done for halogen. Haloalkanes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, but instead of it's an straight chain or linear chain, we are taking aromatic as an example, like ring as an example. Fine. Now just I'll replace this general formula with respective any halogen. This is benzene. So if you need to write the reaction with the name is compulsory. Without naming an reactant, it's not valid. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನೀವೀಗ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಇದೇನೇನು ಅಂತ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, hydrochloric acid. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೇ ತರ you just try it for toluene. Same you can apply chloride itself. Chloride apply ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Then ferric chloride ನೇ catalyst ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So just I need a product name. ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಬೇಕು. toluene plus same chloride FeCl3 CH3 Cl, or you can get So there may be a chance of attachment of chloride in the para position or in the ortho position. ಪ್ಯಾರಾದಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಆರ್ಥೋದಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. So we used to call this as a minor product. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So it will produce in a less quantity. This is major product. Plus as usual HCl. Okay. What is the name of this compound? What is the name of this compound? Nikhil, Meghana, Gokul, tell me fast. What is the name of this compound? Next you have Sandmer reaction. Tell me fast. This toluene alkandro. This is toluene. So if toluene is added with an chloride, it will become chlorotoluene. I told the position also. So it is ortho chlorotoluene. This is para chlorotoluene. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇನ್ನೇನಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. So Sandmeyer reaction. Let us read a Sandmeyer reaction. What do you mean by Sandmeyer reaction? It's a conversion of, write down, it's a conversion of diazonium salt of, it's a conversion of diazonium salt of aromatic hydrocarbons. It's an diazonium salt of aromatic hydrocarbons to haloarenes ಅಥವಾ halo hydrocarbons, haloarenes to haloarenes in the presence of cuprous halide or cyanide. It's an diazonium salt of aromatic hydrocarbon. Diazonium salt ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so that carries two groups or two ion that is not combining, that contain charges. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ that is called diazonium salt formation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. that is in the presence of plus minus symbol ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಯೋನೈಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್. ಈಗ NaOH ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So it's not in the presence of NaOH. It is present in the form of Na plus OH minus. That is called diazonium salt. So the conversion of haloarenes or aromatic hydrocarbons of diazoyl salt to haloarenes in the presence of cuprous halide is called Sandmeyer reaction. This is very important question. Sandmeyer reaction. Okay. So let us write the structure of it. N2 plus Cl. Okay. So both having electronegativity. ಎರಡು electronegative compound alva. So as I informed you, cuprous halide Cu2 2Cl2 or HCl. So you will get Cl plus N2. This reaction is called as Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer reaction. So here you can see diazonium salt. This is diazonium salt. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ nitrogen also electronegative compound, chloride also electronegative compound. But both not combining, just they sat one beside the other with carrying a charges ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ diazonium salt ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So when it reacts with cuprous halide Cu2 Cl2 ಜೊತೆ react ಆದಾಗ it will give you chlorobenzene, that is called haloarenes. Okay na? Fine. Write down. Okay, ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ? Mom, we have many reactions. How to remember each? You need to work. Reactions na ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ we have only one method. You should practice the reaction and reactant side ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, and what you just learn what is the method of the reaction. So you'll get to know it. ಅದೇ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. So what is the lesson that present in the next? Alcohol. ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. And other next lesson ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ amines, that is also completely reaction. So organic chemistry, aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid, entire thing. What are the lessons that present in your Organic chemistry, the reactions. You need to work. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಈಗ ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಯಾನ್ಮೇಯರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಸ್ವೆರ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೋನಿಕೋಫ್ ರೂಲ್ ಈ ತರ ಅದ್ರ ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ diazotization ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, how it happen. ಸೊ ನಾವಿವಾಗ ಈ reaction ಅಲ್ಲಿ okay it will remove, it will place. What is the mechanism of diazotization? How it actually work? Okay, let us read it. So, NaNO2 plus HCl, it will give you plus NaCl. Okay, this is a reaction. So now we got HCl separate, like HNO3, HNO2. So that HNO2 will react with your benzene. Okay, so NH2. ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ diazotization ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ how the chlorine or how this compound will obtain. ಹೇಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್? ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೊ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, if positive is present then negative should be there. If both is present then what happen, it will combine and it will discharge their charges, like ionization ಹೋಗಿ atomization ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But here how it can be retained in this format ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, sodium nitrate will combine with your HCl to form nitric acid and sodium chloride. So now when this benzene ring attaches to amine, that is benzamine. So benzamine react with your HNO2. React with your HNO2. I just split up HNO2 like this, CHNO2. So ONOH. I just split it up. ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಕಂಬೈನ್, ಯಾವ ಆಟಮ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ HCl in the presence of 273 to 278 Kelvin. Okay, what happened? This water molecule will remove. Okay, then this is also will form one water molecule. So what are the remaining things that will present? N. Here also N, so it will form N2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ charge ಇರುತ್ತೆ, so it will form N2 charge. Okay, plus chloride. This is the method how we can prepare diazonium salt. Okay, ಎರಡು water molecule remove ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So one water molecule removed, the nitrogen combined with the benzene ring and chloride give a hand to it, so it forms diazonium salt. They'll ask you write the structure of or give the structure of diazonium salt. Diazonium salt ಇದು structure ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? So next, so this two reactions ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Next you have two more reactions that is called Gatherman's reaction. Gatherman reaction. So second reaction, Siemens reaction. So and this reactants ಬರಿತೀನಿ, you should produce a product. sorry. Gather means reaction. So ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ತರ. So what happened? They just removed N2. N2 remove ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ತರ. So you'll get the same product. Sorry. I made one mistake. Simmons reaction ಅಲ್ಲಿ you are combining BF, hydrogen boro tetrafluoride. Hydrogen boro tetrafluoride. Ma'am, what is the name of the compound? C6 diazonium. Diazonium salt. IUPAC name you try ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮೇಘನಾ? Will you try the IUPAC name for that? It will gives you like cyclo hexa chloro nitrate. So HBF will get F plus N2 plus BF3 plus HCl. This is Simmons reaction. First one is Gatherman reaction. Okay, idella reactions alva. So now let us have a relaxation, that is properties of halogen. Let us think about the properties, that is physical and chemical properties of your haloarenes. So first is physical property. Okay, now tell me what may be the physical properties of it. Tell me the physical properties. I told you one thing, right? You can tell that as an property. It called as haloarenes. Why it's called as haloarenes? Why it is called as haloarenes? Yes, aroma means smell. Since it is considered pleasant, it's not we can say it's pleasant. It gives smell. Pleasant fragrance, almost aromatic. If you are inhaling a toluene or benzene, inhale madidira. The toluene smell is so irritating. Benzene, okay, we can inhale, no problem. But toluene smell agala. But the phenol smell, so that is also very bad. We can't say it's an aroma pleasant. It will give smell. Okay, na? Okay. What about color of benzene? ಯಾವ color ಇರುತ್ತೆ benzene? It's in brown color. But by nature it is colorless. What are the aromatic compounds? What you are extracting? That is basically it doesn't having any color. ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲ they'll made it as a brown color because to avoid the light sensitivity. ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಸೆನ್ಸಿಟಿವಿಟಿನ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? So the first property is the boiling point and density of an aromatic will increase the boiling point and density of alkyl halides of alkyl halides will increase in this order. Okay, first iodine, bromide, chloride. R means it's a hydrocarbonic group. R is a hydrocarbon group. So now my question, why iodine should have more boiling point or density? Why can't the boiling point may be high in your bromide or chloride? What might be the reason? The reason behind it is when we are moving from iodide to chloride, the atomic size will increase. Okay, the atomic size will increase. So because of the increasing in the atomic size, of course, density also increase, and it leads to the increase in the van der Waals force of attraction. It increase the van der Waals force of attraction. Okay. So that's why iodine having more boiling point when you are comparing with bromide or chloride, and bromide is more than your chloride. Chloride is the least one. Fine. Then second point. Reasons ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Because they'll ask you for give reasons ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ justify ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Because atomic size increases. Next, polar nature. What about polar nature? Dipole interaction ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? So if the boiling point increases dipole moment also increase. Hege, how you are going to justify this statement? If the boiling point or density will increases, how it can be correlate with dipole moment? So dipole moment ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ there will be a development of the charge. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? So polarity ಆಗೋದು. So non-polar compound will increase their polarity. So how we can correlate the density with the polarity? Density na polarity ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ correlate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ if the density of the atom will increase, that lose the intermolecular force of attraction. So ಯಾವಾಗ density ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ the force between your center of the atom to the outermost electron is less. Of course ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. When the distance seems to be more, then the last electron, the valence electron will lose the capacity of holding the electron towards inside. So that's why the electron can okay, it increases the dipolarity. Fine. Next, what happened with the branching? If the branching of your alkyl halides, that is halogen, if density increases or boiling point, okay, boiling branching point will decrease. Branching point will decrease. So how the branching point will decrease? Because if the chain is short, then it can go for the branching and they can balance it out. If the chain itself is lengthier one, so then they can't try it for the branching purpose. Okay. Then next point, if increasing in their boiling point, it leads to the increasing in their carbon number. Density ಅಥವಾ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ if boiling point increases, okay, carbon number also increase. Okay, carbon number also increase. Then the last one, the halohalides are insoluble in water because of the presence of hydrogen bond. Insoluble in water because hydrogen bond. Okay, because of the hydrogen bond, the haloarenes or seems to be insoluble in water because of the hydrogen bond. Okay. Fine. So from tomorrow, let us read the chemical properties of it. Let us read the chemical properties of